Hello and welcome to A1 Garage Doors. If it's a repair, new door, automation or a full garage conversion you require, then we are here to help you. Here at A1 we specialise in all aspects of garage doors, from a single steel up and over to a full garage conversion, undertaking all building work involved ourselves. We only supply products sourced from the industry's leading manufacturers. We run a full 24-hour repair service, so if you're in a spot of bother, give us a call. We are here to help you. Our team can fit a new garage door which will transform the look of your home in just a few hours. Automation is now more popular than ever and can be fitted with your new door or in some cases to your existing garage door, making life that little bit easier. As members of Trading Standards' Buy with Confidence scheme, you can rest assured that all of our staff work to the highest standards, guaranteeing your peace of mind. So why not call your local garage door specialist here at A1 Garage Doors today for your free, no obligation quotation.